Okay, for the first step is we need to mark the circle of the valve at the bottle. Okay, then we need to make a hole by using a drill. Okay, the next step is we need to put the air valve into the hole that we made. Okay, after we put the air valve into the hole, we need to screw it until it tight. To make it more stronger, we need to use the A and B glue by mixing them with the same quantity, and then we put around the nut. Okay, next, using the bottle cap, we need to make a hole by the size of the straw and attach the straw at the bottle spray cap. Okay, then we need to glue by using the A and B glue. Okay, this is the condition of the glue when it's starting to dry. After finish, we need to fill up the bottle with the color water and put the bottle cap, twist it tightly, and ready to use.